Hey, what's going on, guys? Chris back with you with another unboxing and review video. This one I'm super pumped about. If you have not heard of this company yet, they make the best tactical flashlights. These things are not your little child's toys that you pick up at the dollar store. These things pack a punch and they stay charged for a super long time. Very well made. I have a few other flashlights from this exact same company. I have a very small one that I take out all the time. Fits in my pocket, but these ones are more tactical. Obviously, many different options, blackouts, out camping, hunting, you name it, for security. Let's go ahead and run a couple specifications by you and then we'll get it out of the box. So this particular one is the Klarus XT21X. And just like all my unboxing and review videos, in the description box below is gonna be the exact link for this tactical flashlight. You guys over in the UK, if they sell it in the UK, I will have you linked. If not, one very similar to it. We have 4,000 lumens flashlight on this particular model right here with 316 meters. They're naming this the Extreme Illumination Tactical Flashlight. It has a micro USB charging for a rechargeable battery, which of course the battery is included. It has an IBIS intelligent battery system, intelligent charging ICS, and intelligent thermal protection as well. Sometimes in videos you don't pick up the precise dimensions, so let me go ahead and run that by you in millimeters and inches. We have 41 millimeters or 1.61 inches by 27.5 millimeters or 1.08 inches times 161 meters, 6.34 inches, and obviously that is the length of it. The LED is CREE XHP 70.2 P2. Output is 4,000 lumens. Working voltage is 2.5 volts through 6.4 volts. Compatible batteries is 1 times 21,700. And it is waterproof IPX8. The weight is 158 grams, 5.57 ounces. That is without the battery. We have 5 lighting levels. The battery inside is a 5,000 milliamp 21700 Li-ion battery. And the micro USB charging is a 2 amp for fast charging. And the IPX8, you can submerge it up to 2 meters. Impact resistance is 1 meter. Hey guys, if you're new here, welcome. We have a lot of fun here. Smash that subscribe button down below and turn on your bell notifications so when fresh content comes out, you're the first to know. And I don't want to take up too much of your time with some specs, so you can go ahead and pause this. And those are the specifications for the beam intensity and runtime, impact resistance, etc. for the different modes of lighting. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get this guy on open and see what we have right here. They do package their products very well. We have our charging cable, our O-ring, our nice case right here. Let's get that out and take a look at that in just a second there. That's gonna do it for the box there. And inside this box, we're gonna have our user manual here. We're gonna have our wrist strap right there. And we're also gonna have a micro USB to USB for recharging the device. This was also in the box, and this might be for testing your battery, but there are 3 LED lights on that side with some gold prongs. We're gonna try to figure out what that is for. And if I didn't mention, there is a 5-year warranty on this flashlight, which is phenomenal. All right, here is our nice little holder here with a belt strap right here. Also, it is Velcroed, so you can strap that on whatever. Your tactical vest, your belt, you name it. Pry that bad boy down right there. You can do a carabiner hook right there on that side. Go ahead and open it on up and take a look at the light here. The battery is already inside of it here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the light from all different angles here. We have the logo right on top with our push button here, coming into a very nice design. This is not your cheap plastic, this is full metal. Coming down to our belt clip here that can hook onto your belt, your sun visor, you name it. That is detachable, so you can actually remove that if necessary. Overall, a very beautiful design of the light. Coming to the back here, which is awesome. If you guys have not seen tactical flashlights with this is just your quick little SOS, or like, hey, let's meet up right there. You have another on and off button right there as well if you're in a tactical situation. And also, of course, our button right on top right here. Coming over to our nice giant LED light. Well made all the way down. Here is our USB charging port right here where you would charge it, and that is nice and sealable for, of course, as we talked about, waterproof IPX8. And what's nice is if you can see that there, the bottom of the flashlight has a nice little holder to protect the bottom of the light there. So as you slip in the light, it holds it right into place right there, giving it a little added protection inside the case. That's great. Let's open up the back here and let's go ahead and look As we can see, let's go ahead and pull out the battery. You will need to obviously pull out that little tab there before the light does turn on. And we have a nice giant again. And here's our nice big 21700 3.6 volt 18 WH 15 amp discharge Klarus 5000 milliamp battery. Just monstrous battery, rechargeable, Li-ion battery. Fantastic. Just slips right in. And if I forgot to mention, there is another O-ring right here inside of the wrist strap bag as well. There is already an O-ring right here where my thumbnail is, and then just screw it on up. And of course we have to wait till nighttime, but let me give you just a little example with obviously not the flashlight pointing into the camera here, but that is every time you push the button there. Flash is really nice, or if you hold it down, it will flash. We're gonna try out the different modes, etc. And you do have your 2 different modes. So these are the directions right here, and if you obviously purchase it, you will just read that for the different modes. You have your setting number 1 is your tactical setting, and setting number 2 is outdoor setting. And this will give you the directions how to cycle through the proper settings. So the buttons that you hit for a duration will give you these specs here. As we can see, you can go ahead and just pause that and look through that a little bit more. So we're gonna go ahead and show you a couple different modes. Again, not quite dark, but it's getting there. It might be a little lighter on camera. One touch and you're just lighting up all the bushes. We're out here on a disc golf course range right here. That's the high mode right there. Look at the bushes way in front of me, way over here. Click it down, that's off. We're gonna go on right here, super mode, super wide mode, down, down again, down again, I think it's still on, and down again, still on. And we'll do it one more time in the dark. Looking fantastic, really lighting it up. I'm able to find my discs out here, shining on all the bushes. Let's go ahead and cut it off. Let me show you the push button strobe right here, as we're just lighting it up. Sorry, the camera's gonna go a little crazy. Pushing it on. Very, very nice flashlight. Let's do it again when it gets pitch black. Well, nearly dark. So let's check out the high mode. Look at that, lighting up those trees. Look at how big this circle is here. Going all, look at these trees. Down, up. Look at this, lighting up these trees. You know how far away those trees are? Look at that, down, up. This thing is a monster, beautiful light. Okay, this probably is gonna be the best example. I don't know how many yards that is in front of me. You're looking at well over probably 200, 225 in front of me or so. And we'll just go ahead and light those trees up. Right, left, tree line to the left. Those are a little closer over there. But the disc basket is way up there. Look at that. Let me crank it off now. Let me crank it on. Just lighting up those trees. Again, strobe mode, lights it up big time. And what's really cool about the lower settings is that you literally can walk your dog without blinding traffic, oncoming traffic, or your dog even. And here it is, able to find my discs. Honestly, this light is perfect for camping, hunting, or just out here in beautiful Colorado, right here with the mountains in the background, and just enjoying some disc golf, to be honest with you. I'll give you one more example, fully dark. But you guys get the idea. This thing is powerful and beautiful. Well, it's pretty much pitch black. It's gonna get a little darker, but the park is gonna close. So I wanna give you one more example. We're gonna go on the high mode here, lighting up tree lines, 360, lighting those up. Beautiful. There's the hole right there, lighting that up, that up, that up, all the way down the loop. Look at this entire field. Strobe light going all the way over. And then watch that. Check that out. Isn't that intense? That is the high setting 360. Look at that. And then it's off. Pitch black. And then just lights up the whole entire, look at that. Lights up the whole entire field. That is absolutely insane. Look at the trees. It's daytime. All right, last example. You're looking at a Toyota 4Runner's headlights. Okay, obviously they're pointed down a little bit, but now watch this. I'm gonna add to it with the light over here on my left hand. Boom. Overpowers. Check that out. Beautiful. Well guys, thank you so much for watching the review. Hopefully it has helped you make an informed decision. And again, if you want to pick up this exact same flashlight, go ahead and look in the description box below the video. Smash that thumbs up button if you liked the video, and consider subscribing because it's free 99. You have a good one. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.